Welcome to the ERP simulation of Protec Gear SDN BHD, a Malaysian company manufacturing high-performance safety helmets, gloves, and vests for industrial workers. As the company expands rapidly across Southeast Asia, they begin to face serious operational challenges, delayed orders, inaccurate stock data, and inefficient production planning. To overcome these issues, Protec decides to implement an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system that integrates the sales management, material management, and production planning modules into a single unified platform.
Before ERP, Protec relied on manual spreadsheets and email communication between departments. Orders were often delayed, materials ran out unexpectedly, and delivery mistakes were common. The lack of integration made it impossible to track real-time information. With ERP, all processes are connected, from forecasting and procurement to production and delivery, bringing automation, accuracy, and visibility to every stage.
Let's begin with forecasting and sales AM. Operations planning.
Protec Gear SDN BHD is a Malaysian company specializing in safety helmets, vests, and gloves for industrial workers. At the start of each quarter, the company performs sales forecasting to predict product demand. Using the ERP's analytical tools, the sales team reviews historical data, customer trends, and upcoming construction projects. The forecast predicts a 20% increase in helmet demand for the next quarter. Next, the operations department carries out capacity planning. This process checks whether current resources such as machines, manpower, and material availability can support the forecasted production volume.
I'll feed this forecast into our ERP sales and operations planning (SOP) module. It aligns demand with our production and capacity.
Based on last quarter's sales trend, I project helmet demand will increase by 20% next month.
In the ERP, forecasting and SOP create a balanced plan between customer demand and factory capacity. This ensures that Protec doesn't overproduce or underproduce. Also provides a clear, data-driven view of resource readiness. In summary, the ERP integrates sales and production plans through sales and operations planning, SOP, aligning company-wide goals. This synchronization ensures Protec is ready to meet market demand without overloading capacity or wasting materials.
Next is demand management.
Here is sales order processing in ERP. With the forecast in place, Protec begins demand management, where real customer orders are captured in the ERP system. Protec's client in Johor places an order for 2,000 safety helmets. The sales department enters the details or request directly into the ERP platform using sales order processing, eliminating paper forms and manual data entry. The system automatically converts the customer quotation into a confirmed sales order.
Once the sales order is entered, the ERP automatically shares the information with the material management and production planning modules. This ensures all departments have real-time visibility of customer demand, improving coordination and reducing miscommunication.
Next is availability check. The ERP system performs an availability check, or ATP. It verifies the available stock in real time and calculates how many units must be produced to meet the customer order. In this case, 500 helmets are already in stock, and the ERP automatically schedules production for the remaining 1,500 units, ensuring the promised delivery date is achievable. This step ensures that customer demand aligns with operational capacity, maintaining delivery accuracy and customer trust. Now move to sales order confirmation. Once the order is confirmed, the ERP system automatically notifies the customer with an accurate delivery schedule. This automation saves time, avoids double entry, and improves customer satisfaction. Protec now moves to the next step, Master Production Scheduling, MPS, where the system plans how to fulfill the confirmed demand. With customer demand confirmed, the ERP system moves the information forward to create a detailed master production schedule, MPS, transforming demand into production action. Let's move to master production scheduling, MPS. Now that customer demand is confirmed, ERP generates the master production schedule detailing when and how many helmets will be produced each week. It considers lead times, machine availability, and workforce capacity to create an achievable production plan.
The ERP system automatically balances workloads to prevent machine overload. Each work center receives precise production targets, ensuring smooth factory operations. MPS will determine when, where, and how much to produce. It coordinates production lines, shifts, and machine workloads to avoid bottlenecks.
Next, move on to bill of materials explosion.
Once the schedule is set, ERP executes the bill of materials, BOM, explosion process. ERP identifies every raw material and subcomponent required to build each helmet. This lists every raw material, component, and subassembly needed for the finished product, such as ABS plastic, foam padding, straps, and labels. Each work center receives a production plan outlining specific dates, required materials, and assigned operators. This ensures material management module knows exactly what to purchase or issue from stock, resources are optimized, and production remains synchronized with real-time demand.
The master production schedule now feeds directly into the next phase, material requirements planning, MRP, where the ERP system calculates raw material shortages and creates purchase requisitions. Next, Protec's ERP system executes the material requirements planning, MRP, run. This process automatically calculates all the raw materials needed to fulfill the master production schedule, identifying shortages and creating purchase requisitions for missing items. During the MRP run, ERP compares existing stock against material needs from the BOM. When inventory levels fall below minimum, the system automatically generates a purchase requisition, eliminating the need for manual monitoring. The system also determines the raw material quantities needed to fulfill the MPS plan. It finds only 300 kilograms of ABS plastic in stock, but 800 kilograms are required. ERP instantly runs the MRP calculation to identify shortages. Once the requisition is approved, ERP automatically converts it into a purchase order and sends it directly to the preferred supplier. This automation ensures materials are procured just in time, minimizing inventory cost, material shortages, and avoiding production delays.
System calculated that we need 800 kilograms of ABS plastic and 200 meters of foam padding. But inventory shows we only have 300 kilograms of plastic left.
So ERP will automatically generate a purchase requisition, right?
Exactly. It also selects the best supplier based on lead time and price.
Summary: through ERP's material management module, all departments gain real-time visibility into purchase statuses, delivery timelines, and supplier performance. Transparency reduces miscommunication and strengthens supplier collaboration. With materials ordered and on the way, the ERP process moves forward into manufacturing execution and procurement, where materials are received, inspected, and used in production. Next is manufacturing execution or procurement process. Once materials are delivered by the supplier, ERP records a goods receipt, automatically updating stock levels. A quality inspection process begins to verify material quality. Only approved materials are released for production. For example, quality inspectors use ERP tablets to check material specifications, ensuring every batch meets Protec's safety standards. Accepted materials are transferred to the warehouse and ready for production. Every goods receipt triggers an automatic update in the material management module. The ERP system records the inspection outcome, accepted or rejected, and adjusts inventory quantities accordingly. Supplier performance data is stored for future procurement analysis.
Next is goods issue for production. As manufacturing starts, ERP performs goods issue for production. Raw materials are withdrawn from inventory and used on the shop floor. The ERP system now performs a goods issue transaction, moving materials from inventory to the production line. This ensures complete traceability, as ERP automatically records which materials were used, when, and for which production order. Now moving to production order execution. ERP then triggers the production order execution process. ERP sends production orders to each work center. Work centers receive digital work orders through tablets, showing task instructions, production quantities, and due dates. Operators log into the system and record progress directly from the shop floor through tablets. The supervisors also monitor production status live. Real-time updates help managers track output, identify delays, and ensure that every helmet meets quality standards. ERP ensures that every stage, procurement, material movement, and production, remains perfectly synchronized. This integration of procurement and production ensures efficiency, accountability, and real-time visibility. Any update in one module is instantly visible to others, achieving full transparency across Protec's operations.
Finished products loaded into trucks for delivery. ERP screen then displays, production completed, ready for delivery. With production complete, ERP prepares the final goods for customer delivery and billing, leading to the final step, order settlement. Now move to our last ERP process, which is order settlement. After production completion, ERP generates a goods receipt for finished goods that then packed and dispatched. The ERP system automatically updates the delivery status, creates delivery notes, and generates a corresponding invoice linking logistics, billing, and accounting in one seamless workflow. Also, ERP system will update the inventory of ready-to-ship helmets.
Upon delivery, ERP confirms the shipment and automatically issues a digital invoice to the customer. The system updates both the sales and finance modules instantly, reducing manual paperwork and ensuring real-time financial tracking.
Once the customer receives the helmets, the customer payment posting process records the payment, officially closing the sales order. This marks the final stage of the ERP cycle, from planning and execution to procurement, manufacturing, and financial closure. Upon receiving the customer payment, the ERP system automatically records the transaction in the finance module. The corresponding invoice status is updated to paid, and the sales order is officially closed, signifying the successful completion of the order-to-cash cycle. ERP also automates invoice verification for procurement, ensuring supplier invoices match purchase orders and goods receipts. This prevents overpayments and maintains financial accuracy. Through ERP, Protec Gear achieves total business integration, improving delivery performance, reducing manual errors, and gaining real-time financial control. From forecasting to payment, every process now runs efficiently within a single, unified system. Protect Gear now enjoys faster delivery, transparent records, and stronger financial control through its ERP system. Thank you for joining the ERP simulation journey of Protect Gear SDN BHD, where technology transforms operations into excellence.